Okay guys, hi, this is beach video. So let's get into it. Is everyone ready for the beach ride? Yep. Okay guys, meet here at 2. I've got a surprise waiting for you. Ooh, what kind of surprise? Well, can't tell yet, it's a surprise. Mommy, but you know I don't like surprises. I know, hun, but it's a really good one. Oh, okay. Okay, see you guys soon. So, let's get going. Yeah, come on, Luna. Guys, where's little Mia? Muffin, come back. Ugh, naughty Muffin. Guys, the surprise is the good one, so make sure to stick around to watch it at the end. There you are, little me. Oh my gosh, it's 2. We should head up. What? Is that Ashley? What's he with? Oh my gosh, it's a camel. Wait for the other and I'll explain everything. What? Why is Mom with a camel? I came back. Okay guys, surprise with camel rides. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Can I come first? Sure, Lizzie. Oh my god, I'm gonna ride a camel. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So, can you give me a leg up? Sure. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so high. Be careful up there. I will. Whoa, it's way bigger than a horse. Be careful. So, how do I get it to go? I guess just give it a small pull. Whoa, this is, whoa. Oh my god, this camel is interesting. Oh, slow down. Whoa, that was a fun camel ride. That was so fun. Thank you, Ashley. Ooh, can I go next? Sure, Rachel. But Mama, I wanted to go next. Maybe you can go with Rachel. Rachel, is that okay with you? Yeah, fine with me. Good luck. Hope she doesn't throw a tantrum. Hey! Oh my god, this is so high. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna fall off. A little hand over here. I'll help you up, honey. Wah! What are you doing? Oh, am I not supposed to sit here? No. Oh, I'll climb up. Sit up properly. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Ah! Slid down again? Yep, I slid down again. I think you should go with your sister. Aw, okay. I'm down. Okay, here we go. What? I'm struggling to hold on. Ah, oh my god, guys, I'm so scared. Guys, this is way higher than a horse. Help me. You'll be fine. No, oh my god, don't move the camel. No, don't move. Ah, Mom, can you help me down? On second thoughts, I don't want a camel ride. Okay, honey, it's okay. I am never riding a camel again. Ah! Run! Well, she's gone. Thank you guys, that will be all for my beach video today. Make sure to like and subscribe.